And then I'll wrap it up because I feel like I'm pretty sure I'm the youngest one here, and I grew up in the era with like YouTube and all these other things you can access. But for me, my journey was really different. I like to say it was untraditional. I don't have a college degree, and when I started learning, it was really through like internships that gave me the hands-on experience. I was actually able to start my journey pretty early in high school when I was a senior. I started when I was 17. I'm 21 years old now, and that internship that I did, that's what really got me into cybersecurity. It's what got me into the blue side of things. And eventually, I was also able to become a lead intern. So within that internship, I got thrown into the fire early, and it helped better my leadership skills and help me grow as just a person. And I could definitely say it's been tremendously helping me as far as where I've been able to go in my career. So definitely, like everybody's preached, hands-on experience is definitely the way to go. And don't let anybody tell you that you can't get a cybersecurity job without uh, a degree or anything of that nature. You can get it through hands-on experience, whether it's courses, whether it's home labs, internships, whatever it is. If you want to go get it, then it's up to you.